Hello students. In last video we have completed our second chapter number 1. Today we are going to start new chapter addition. You must have learned in third standard addition of 3-digit numbers. Today we will learn addition of 4-digit and 5-digit number. So let's begin with our lesson. Remember students, addition means finding the total of two or more numbers. This total is called sum. So students, 5 plus 7 is equal to 12. So when we get the answer of total, then that is called sum. Sum of the numbers. The numbers which are added are called addend. Means 5 plus 7. These two numbers are called addend. The numbers which are been added is called addend. The sum of two numbers remains same even if the order of addends is changed. Means we know 5 plus 7 is equal to 12, and if we change the addend, means if we change the place of the addend, means 7 plus 5, then also we will get the same answer 12. Adding 0 to a number gives the same number. Means 5 plus 0 is equal to 5. Anything is added with 0, we will get the same number. Adding 1 to a number gives the next number. Means if we add 5 plus 1, we will get the answer 6. Means it is the next number of 5. There are two methods to solve addition sums. One is vertical method and other is horizontal method. Vertical method is done in this way. We are writing the numbers one below the other in their place value column. And in horizontal method, we will add horizontally and solve the sums. So students, this is vertical method and this is horizontal method. But today we are going to concentrate on vertical method. We will learn vertical method today. While adding 3-digit numbers, we add unit to units, tens to tens and hundreds to hundreds. This you have learned in third standard. Now we are going to add 4-digit and 5-digit number. So in same way, while adding numbers with 4 or 5 digits, thousands are added to thousands and 10,000s to 10,000s. Students, look at this example. Unit, tens, hundred, thousand. So, whenever we do addition sums, we will start with the right side, that is from the unit place. Always we are doing the sums of addition, we should start from right side. So first we will solve unit place. 1 plus 0. We got the answer. Anything added with 0, we get the same number. So 1 plus 0 is 1. Look at the tens place. 0 plus 9. Anything added with 0? We will get the same number. So again 0 plus 9 is 9. Now at 100 place. 3 plus 2 we get 5. And at thousands place 4 plus 3 we get 7. So the sum of 4301 plus 3290 we got the answer 7591. Now student, look at this example. 3032 plus 4220. So we will arrange all the digits at their places. Now we will start addition from the unit place. So 2 plus 0 we will get answer 2. Now at the tens place 3 plus 2 5. 100 place 0 plus 2 2. Thousands place 3 plus 4 7. So the answer is 7252. One more example. 3331 plus 2313. We will arrange all the digits at their places and solve the sum from its right side from unit place. So 1 plus 3 4. At tens place 3 plus 1 4. 100 place 3 plus 3 6. Thousands place 3 plus 2 5. So we got the answer 5644. Look at this example. 2103 plus 2231. First we will arrange all the digits at their places. Then start from unit place. 3 plus 1 4. Tens place 0 plus 3 3. 100 place 1 plus 2 3. Thousands place 2 plus 2 4. So we got the answer 4334. Students, now we will learn addition with carrying over. Look at these sums. Here 4 columns are there: unit, tens, 100 and 1000. The added numbers are, add-ons are 637 and 574. Now we will start from right side, that is from unit place. So 7 plus 4 we get the answer 7 plus 4 11. Now we got 11 at unit place. It means 1 unit and 1 tens. So we will carry 1 at the tens place. So this one we will carry over here at tens place. Now we will add tens place digits. So 1 plus 3 plus 7, we got the answer again 11. So we can't write two digits at one place. So here 11 tens means 100 and 1 tens. So we will take this 1 and carry at 100 place. Now 1 plus 6 plus 5, we will add this digit at the 100 place. So 1 plus 6, 7, 7 plus 5, 7 plus 5, we got 12. So 12 hundreds means 1000 and 2 hundreds. So we will take this one and carry at thousands place. Now here there are no digits, so we will write the same carried number, that is 1, at thousands place. So we will get the answer 1211. So this way we will solve carryover sums. So here the digits are 9593 plus 8135. So we will arrange all the numbers at their places and start from unit place. 3 plus 5, 8. Look at the tens place, 9 plus 3. So 9 plus 3, we will get the answer 12. But we can't write two digits at same place. So we will write two tens and one carry at the 100 place. Now we will add at the 100 place 1 plus 5 plus 1. 1 plus 5, 6, and plus 1, 7. Now thousands place. 9 plus 8. 9 plus 8, 17. So we will write 17 means 17 at thousands place means 1/10,000 and 7,000. So we will write at 7 at thousands place and 1 carry at 10,000 place. So here there is no digit, so we will write the same digit down. So 1 we will write here. So we got the answer 17,728. Here the numbers are 7,448 plus 8,284. All the numbers, all the digits we will arrange at their places and start from unit place. 8 plus 4, 12. 12 means 1/10 and 2 units. So we will write 2 at the unit place and carry 1 at tens place. Now 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 8, 5 plus 8, 13. So 13 means 100. 13 we got at the tens place. So it means 100 and 3 tens. So we will write 3 at tens place and carry 1 at 100 place. Now we will add at 100 place 1 plus 4, 5, and 5 plus 2, 5 plus 2, 7. Now There is no carryover over here. Only one digit we got. Now we will go to the thousands place. 7 plus 8. 7 plus 8, 15. 15 at the thousands place. So it means 1, 10,000 and 5,000. So we will write 5 at thousands place and carry 1 at 10,000 place. Here there is no digit. So we will write this one down and we got the answer 15,732. One more example we will solve. Here the numbers are 7,287 plus 9,672. We will arrange all these digits at their places and start from the unit place. So, unit place 7 plus 2, 7 plus 2, 9. Now, go at the tens place. Tens place 8 plus 7. We got the answer 8 plus 7, 15. But 15 means 15 at the tens place means 15 tens means 105 tens. So we will write 5 at tens place and carry 1 at 100 place. Now we will add 100 place. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 6, 9. Now at the thousands place. 7 plus 9. 7 plus 9 means we got 16 at the thousands place. 16,000 means 1, 10,000 and 6,000. So we will write 1, we will carry 1 at 10,000 place. Now here there is no digit, so we will write the same 1 down. And we got the answer 16,959. Thank you.